Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video on one of the most talked about website from which you can get a free lipstick, quote unquote free lipstick. Yeah, so let's talk about MyGlam. MyGlam is a website which and also a brand of its own which creates cruelty free and vegan products, hair care, skincare, makeup products. And I'm going to talk about it. This video is not about swatches of a lot of MyGlam lipsticks. Rather, I want to talk about how you can get a free lipstick and the quality of the lipstick and what I feel about the whole purchase. So the very first thing is that what you have to do to get a free lipstick is not a rocket science. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and you have to download the app. You have to install the app in your phone, MyGlam app. And since you are a new user, I'm assuming that you are a new user, on the very top you will get Take Survey. So when you click on that, it will ask you to register yourself. So you have to register with your mobile number and your email ID. So when you register, they will ask you to take a survey. There will be some 5-6 questions. It will be about your age group. It will be about what you look for when you are looking to buy a lipstick. What are the good qualities of a lipstick that according to you it must have. It will also ask you about what if a company like MyGlam listens to your needs when you ask for a lipstick. So there will be some of these questions you have to answer these questions, and when you answer you will have a shade chart and they will give you the option to choose any shade. So the only option that I got to pick is that of liquid lipsticks, and there were innumerable shades. I think there were some 30 shades to choose from. So I selected one of the shade. Which one I'm going to show you. And when you select one of the shades, you will be directed to the checkout page. Obviously, if you want to buy something else, you're always welcome to. But when you check out, you will be given a code, some MyGlamXO. Apply promo code. It will be written, on the checkout page. So you apply that code, and the lipstick, which costs around $3.95, which is the marked at $3.95, you will get it for $99. Now, as per the website, they are saying that this $99 is the delivery charge. So they are giving you, according to the website, they are giving you the entire lipstick, which is for $3.95 free, and you are paying only 99 rupees, which is for the delivery charge. Obviously, this lipstick is also not free, okay, because 99 is almost like you're paying $100 for it. Now the point is that whether it is worth investing in this lipstick or not, that is my question. So, and that is what we are going to look at. Now the thing is, I bailed out from the world of liquid lipstick since the last 3 years, primarily because I found them to be too drying, and whenever I used to eat, it used to crumble out from the inside of my lips in a very weird manner, which I absolutely hated. I ordered my lipstick on, I think, 26th of August, and I got it today on 28th of August, and it came in this big box, okay, and this big box, nice box for that matter, but I find it completely pointless to send such a huge box and waste so much of material on just one small lipstick. And when we open it, it's all over written European makeup. So I was under the impression that this is an Indian company, but it's written European makeup. Not sure about that. And let's open. So when you open it, you get 3 things. So I have ordered one lipstick, of course, for 99. They will give you the invoice. First thing, they will give you the lipstick, which will be inside a bubble wrap, completely safely packaged, and it comes in this kind of cardboard packaging, white and pink, which kind of looks cute. And it will also have this welcome note, yeah, which says that hello gorgeous, you are now a My Glam XO insider. We can't wait to co-create amazing beauty products with you. And it also, this is sort of a gift card of 250 rupees, and you can get that 250 rupees discount only when you purchase a minimum of 9.99. So I'm just keeping this aside. I'm just going to talk about the lipstick itself and whether this is worth investing 100 rupees or 99 rupees for the delivery charge. Now, the thing is, the shade that I bought is something that I'm wearing right now on myself, and the lipstick shade is LM18 Swinger. So I just blindly went about this lipstick thinking that it will suit my skin tone. Looking at the lipstick, if you see, it comes in this kind of glass packaging, which has M written on it in a very stylish way, and yeah, it has M written on it, and it says liquid matte lipstick. Obviously this is matte lipstick, it's not a glossy one. And the packaging, according to me, is pretty sophisticated looking, and it's elegant. So I obviously like the packaging, and the fact that it is glass is something more likable for me. Now I'll just show you the shade. So the shade Swinger is like that of a brick brown color. This kind of a color it is. So I just wanted you to have a closer look at the liquid lipstick. So it says M over here, if you can see, and this is the packaging. It's sleek, it will fit into your purse. Just want to show you the color as well. So it is a very beautiful nude color, brick brown type of color, and I believe it is something that will suit every skin tone. Yeah, you see, it will complement fair, medium, dark skinned, everyone. As I said, I'm someone who has absolutely hated liquid lipstick because it seemed to be extremely drying. But this seemed to be a quite nice surprise for me because it seemed to be extremely lightweight. When I wore it, it felt like, that there's no heavy feeling. Unlike other liquid lipsticks, which seem to settle in cracks and really give a very uncomfortable feeling, I always feel like, there's something sticking hard on my lips. So that was not the feeling at all. And it was extremely moisturizing, which is something we don't find in liquid lipsticks. It is not drying at all. And regarding the staying power of the liquid lipstick, I must say I'm really impressed because after applying this liquid lipstick, I went to a restaurant and I had all the amazing buttery, oily, greasy North Indian food, and even after that it did not, a little bit went out from inside of my lips, but it was not noticeable at all. It was not noticeable at all. So that is something I really liked. As per the quality of this liquid lipstick, I think it is definitely worth investing in, and you can definitely make a go ahead for it. But one thing, with one of your phone number and with one of your email address, you can only have one free, quote unquote free, with the 99 delivery charge. But if you want to have another, then you will have to register with some other phone number and email address. So obviously that's with common sense. So yeah, that was my idea and my experience, and it was a really good experience, and I really liked this liquid lipstick. So yeah, just let me know what shade that you have got, if you are getting some shade, if this video helped you. If there is some other content that you want to look at, let me know about it in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, thank you so much. Bye.